How to add a Google Drive video on your Google Sites. So here we are on one of our Google site and we are on the About Us page and we need a video on this page section here. So what we need to do is first make sure that we are logged in into our Google site as an admin, and we are also logged in into our Google Drive and we have already uploaded a sample video. So here we have a video and all we need to do is just click on these three dots once it's uploaded. And then we need to click on share and click on share again. And now we need to make sure that the general access is not restricted, but it has to be on anyone with link always. And once that is done, we can now just go ahead and copy the link of the video and then come back here in our Google site. Now here on our right hand side panel, we have this drive widget. Let's click on this. And now we need to go to the place where we have added our video. So right now I'm inside my location where I have added my video, and here is my video. Let's go ahead and click on this and click on insert. All right, so it's going to take a few seconds and our video will be available here. Let me just go ahead and resize this like this. And maybe I want to center align this as well. So now we have a video added on our Google site About Us page. Let's see how it looks in the front end. So this is our site. Let the page load and here we have our video. Let's click on this. And we can now play the video from our Google Drive on our Google site. If you need any professional help regarding your Google sites, then make sure you check out the link in the video description.